What we're doing, I guess we'll look at it from just the chords. It's just 3 different chords. All right. First chord, I'm playing a G flat minor 7 chord, rootless. All right. If you got a bass player, you're gonna want him to play that G flat there, or the A flat. All right. All right. So first chord, A flat minor 7, left hand, I'm playing G flat, B flat, B, and E flat there. All right. Next chord on the left hand, I'm playing a B flat minor 7 rootless. All right, left hand, A flat, C, D flat, F. All right, so that's the B flat minor 7 chord, minor 9 chord. All right, all right. Next chord, so we got A flat minor 7, B flat minor 7 to G diminished 7. G, B flat, D flat, and E. All right, that's the only chords in the left hand. We're just rocking that. All right, right hand, I'm just playing off the 9s. All right, whatever the 9 is. For the first 2 chords, rather. All right, for the A flat and the B flat. All right, so the 9 is the B flat. All right, A flat's the 1, B flat would be the 9. All right, so I'm playing the B coming off the A flat and B flat in my right hand, sorry, over the A flat minor 7. That's all I'm doing. All right, when I go to the B flat minor 7, I'm going to the B flat, off the B flat to the C. All right. Then when I get to the G diminished 7, I'm playing the B. All right, you have many options. I actually kind of run G flat, A flat, and B flat on my right hand. Hitting G flat and B flat at the same time, coming off with the A flat. Like that, and then. All right, same thing. I'm playing A flat and C while coming off the B flat to hit the C. When you go to that diminished 7, you can also go to the E there. D flat, E flat to the E. So, yeah, so. That roll there, over the G diminished, B flat, A flat, G, A flat, B flat, E flat. All right. All right, so I hope that helped. Just play around with it. All right, so I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know.